On farm, number 2 of your energy use is usually going to be milk cooling. Very common problem, we see this very regularly, is a dirty condenser or not good airflow through for the chiller. In some cases, it's just a small amount of dirt, not going to hurt you, but what we see here is fairly common. I'd say you've got about 20% of the heat transfer area of this condenser is clogged with dirt and debris. That's going to cost you money, especially in summer, and that's a really easy fix for you as well. Let's have a look how that can be done. So here we go, 2 minutes to take that protective guard off. So let's see how we can just clean this off real quick. Here we are, just a simple brush like this. Don't use chemicals, we don't want to get corrosion going on here. We don't want to make something worse here, but just take a brush, get rid of this debris. That'll get the air flowing through there much better, and you'll get much better heat transfer. Now this is just a demonstration. If this was really bad, I'd have a dust mask on, have some gloves on. These are really sharp. The other thing is when you're pulling this apart, be careful of the spiders and what have you as well. So maybe you've got an old chiller, not like this lovely new one. Old chiller, didn't maybe have the right guarding. Over the years, it's had a few knocks and scrapes and things. Then you'll see all these fins are all compressed, often compressed onto each other. That's stopping airflow, that's ruining your energy performance. What you can do, grab a tool, something like this, known as a fin tool, and you can run that down there very gently and straighten them out. I recommend that's a job for your refrigeration mechanic.